Hi everyone, happy new year. In this video I'm going to teach you how to buy coins on Sui chain. So guys, if you want to buy coins on the Sui chain, the first thing you will do is this: you will buy Sui. So guys, on your bybit exchange app, here you will go to your funding account. When you go to your funding account, you will see convert. So guys, I'm going to convert USDT to Sui. Yeah, I'm going to convert USDT to Sui. So guys, 4.8654 will give you 0.9984 Sui. You click on quote. When you click on the quote, you click on confirm. But guys, I'm not going to click on confirm because I have Sui already. Now this is the second option. You go to your spot trade. Yeah, you will see Sui slash USDT. If you have USDT, you can buy Sui. So guys, after you buy your Sui, you will transfer Sui from bybit or any crypto exchange to your SafePal wallet. So guys, don't forget this here. You will transfer Sui to your SafePal wallet. Make sure you download SafePal wallet so that you can buy and store projects under Sui. You will click on explore. So guys, when you click on explore, you will see different blockchains, yeah, and the DEX or dApps under them. So guys, you can use Setus, you can use Turbo Finance, you can use Blue Move, yeah, to buy projects on Sui. You can also buy Setus tokens, you can buy Turbo Finance tokens, you can buy Blue Move tokens. So guys, in this video, yeah, I'm going to show you how to use Setus decentralized exchange. You will click on access app. So you allow your wallet, yeah, to connect. So guys, Sui is going to be up, yeah. This is what you will do. So Sui is going to be on top. Then you can search for the coins you want to buy on the Sui chain. Yeah. So guys, these are the coins listed on Setus, yeah. So if you want to buy coins on the Sui chain, yeah, these are some of the coins that are listed. You can also use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to check coins on the Sui chain. So guys, this is Setus platform, yeah. So you can buy any of your favorite coin on the Sui chain, yeah. So guys, in this video I'm going to buy Deep Book. So guys, Deep Book is one of the decentralized exchange on Sui. So you can also buy Deep Book. So guys, don't forget this here. If you are a fan of Sui, buy Sui. You can buy Turbo Finance. You can buy Settles. You can buy Move, and you can also buy Deep Book. So I'm going to buy Deep Book. So guys, you will type your wallet pin. So guys, I just purchased, yeah, 48 Deep Book tokens, yeah. So guys, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Move Dex. Yeah, this is another Dex you can use to buy coins on Sui. Yeah, guys, make sure you have Sui. These are the coins listed on the Sui chain. So guys, you can swap from Sui to any of these coins listed, yeah, on Blue Move Dex. You can also buy Blue Move Dex tokens, yeah. So guys, if you want to buy coins on Sui, you can use any of these decentralized exchange, because I believe that very soon Sui blast off some of these coins, yeah, on Sui will blast off, and some of these decks on Sui will also blast off. So guys, don't forget, I've showed you how to use Setus, I've showed you how to use Blue Move Dex. So let's check Turbo Finance. You can also buy coins on Sui chain, yeah, with Turbo Finance. You can also buy Turbo Finance tokens. So guys, don't forget this here. So if you have Sui, yeah, if you have Sui, you can swap from Sui to any of the coins listed on Turbo Finance. So guys, these are some of the coins listed on Turbo Finance. Yeah, these are Sui projects. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.